Okay, hi, hello. My name is Muhammad Alakim bin Muhammad Khalid. I'm from Bachelor Engineering Technology, Mechanical and Design. Okay, today I will explain about the practical lab 1A, B and C, that is worm gear, universal joint and piston. Okay, as you can see here, this is called worm gear, complete assembly worm gear. Okay, firstly you need to click the section view. Okay, you need to click the section view. Okay, you can change the location by dragging this icon. Okay, by dragging this icon. Okay, now you can see the inside of the object. Okay, the inside of the object, and then click OK. Okay, now this one called red shaft. If I rotate the red shaft, okay, as you can see here, if I rotate the red shaft, the assembly also rotate, and that is how the mechanism works. Okay, uh, next is universal joint. For practical lab 1B is universal joint. Okay, so also if I rotate this crank, the male and female yoke also will be rotate like this. Okay, I will rotate it slowly so you can see the male and female yoke rotating. Okay, okay, lastly, practical lab called piston. Okay, this is the complete assembly of piston and crankshaft. Okay, okay, I play this to see the rotation. Okay, okay, if I if I rotate the piston, if I rotate the crankshaft, the piston also will the piston also will be moving up and downward. Okay, now what you can see here, there are four graphs. Okay, there are four graphs. There is firstly is linear displacement, velocity, acceleration, and then motor torque. Okay, after I apply 10 RPM rotating motor by 10 seconds, all of this graph detect on moving piston by y-axis. Okay, then the result motor torque moving and x-axis. Okay, that is from me. Thank you for watching my video.